Hello, welcome to all. Today we are going to start the chapter complex number. Okay, complex number. This is a very important topic by the perspective of board examination and by the perspective of JEE Mains also. Okay, I'm going to give the introduction of complex numbers. Okay, so beta first I'll give you the introduction of the numbers which we have studied in previous classes. Okay, first I come about the natural number. Okay, the first number is the natural number. We know that the natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, up to it goes like that. Then we come to the whole number. Okay. Then we come to the whole number. So I know that number, if I include 0 in the natural numbers, so that will become the whole number. Okay. These are some basic numbers that we know. Okay. Now if I come on the integers, okay, I come on the integers. Okay, so integers is what? If in whole number negative numbers are added, right? Like whole numbers kya the 0, 1, 2. If I add negative numbers also, -1, -2, so that becomes integer, right? Okay. Now if I talk about rational number, what is the rational number, beta? इंटीजर है ना, इंटीजर यूनियन इंटीजर के साथ इफ वी टेक डेसिमल वाले नंबर, इंटीजर्स नंबर और डेसिमल नंबर मिला के क्या बनाते बेटा? रैशनल नंबर. ओके, दैट वी ऑल नो. ओके, सो नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इरेशनल नंबर, बेटा जितने भी अंडर रूट वाले नंबर होते हैं लाइक √2, √3, दैट आर कॉल्ड इरेशनल नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट रियल नंबर्स, ओके, सो रैशनल नंबर एंड इरेशनल नंबर. इफ यू इंक्लूड रैशनल एंड इरेशनल, सो दैट बिकम्स रियल नंबर. ओके. Now beta, now that I come to my original topic, which is complex number. So beta, this complex number is just an imaginary number. This is just an imaginary number. Okay, like if I talk about the root of the equation x square minus 4 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to 4. So x will be plus minus 2. Under root 4 is 2. But if I talk about the equation x square plus 1 is equals to 0, right? So x square is equals to -1. So x is equals to plus minus under root -1. Now beta, this under root of -1, if negative value comes inside under root, so that number is called imaginary number, that we represent by iota. So root of -1 is equals to iota. Okay. Okay. So beta, we know that iota is equals to what? Under root of -1. So iota square is equals to iota into iota. So under root -1 into under root -1, that is equals to -1. Iota cube is equals to iota square into iota, that is -1 into iota minus iota. Iota power 4 is equals to iota square into iota square, that is -1 into -1, that is equals to 1. So these are the some basic properties, okay, of iota. So beta, a complex number is the number which can be represented in the form of a plus iota b, which we can represent in the form of a plus iota b, where a is the real part of complex number and b is the imaginary part of complex number, like 3 plus 2 iota. So 3 is the real part of complex number, and 2 is the imaginary part of complex number, Okay, thank you.